Welcome to the essentim tutorial video Webapp Overview. We start with the initial view of the web application after successfully logging in with the user. The view is divided into two major areas. On the right-hand side, you can see the display area, which is currently displaying the dashboard. This is also indicated by the green highlighted dashboard icon in the menu bar. On the left-hand side, you have the menu bar. The menu bar has several buttons you can press, both to change the information displayed in the display area and to change the menu bar configuration itself. The small arrow minimizes and maximizes the menu bar. Choosing Dashboard shows the currently running essays in the display area. Clicking on Essays in the menu bar will change the display area to view a list of essays currently active as well as completed and archived. Clicking on Scopes will give you a list view of all scopes currently online or offline, or have ever been connected to the Scouter. In the lower left corner, you can see the notification slider. Clicking on the slider will deactivate or activate notifications. While it's active, a press of a scope button will result in a pop-up window. This helps you to directly access the scope information, or if the scope is assigned to any essay, you see bound essays. Just close it by clicking on the X in the top right corner of the pop-up. Furthermore, you can see the Settings button. Clicking on Settings will open the Settings menu where you can adjust and manage your users, procedures, and make changes to the network configuration of the system. On the lowest left side of the menu bar, you can see which user is currently logged in. Clicking on it will also enable you to change the password, log out the current user, or log in as a different user. Please see our other videos for detailed information on the specific sections. Thanks for watching.